Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to unmute a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. Whether you muted a conversation and stopped getting notifications by mistake, or you simply want to start hearing from that chat again, this quick guide will help you fix it in just a few clicks. Let's start. Once you've opened the WhatsApp app on your computer, wait a few seconds for your chat to load. You'll see all your recent conversations listed on the left side of the window. Scroll through your messages and find the chat you want to unmute. This can be an individual chat with a friend or a group conversation. When you found the right chat, place your mouse over it. Now, right-click on that chat to open a small menu with several options. This menu gives you quick actions to manage your chats without opening them fully. Among the options, you'll find one that says unmute. Click on that. As soon as you select unmute, WhatsApp will instantly remove the mute setting from that conversation. From now on, you'll start receiving message notifications again, just like before. There's no need to restart the app or refresh the page. The change happens automatically. If you're wondering how to tell whether a chat is muted or unmuted, it's simple. A muted chat usually shows a small speaker icon with a line through it. Once you unmute it, that icon disappears, letting you know notifications are back on. This new update for WhatsApp on PC has made managing notifications even smoother and more intuitive. It's designed for convenience, especially for users who spend most of their time on a laptop or desktop during work or study hours. Instead of juggling your phone, you can now manage everything in one place with just a few quick actions. And that's it. You've now learned how to unmute any chat on WhatsApp for PC with the latest version. Don't forget to check out other videos for more easy tech tips and app updates.